हेलो गाइस, दिस इज़ भावना शर्मा और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं यूनियन पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर फॉर द यूपीएससी एग्जाम बिकॉज मैनी क्वेश्चंस आर रिलेटेड टू इट एंड कमिंग इन द प्री एंड मेंस एग्जाम. So this is very essential for you. So I'm just coming to it and let's start it. Then first of all we will see the composition. What is the composition of the Union Public Service Commission? There are the from 9 to 11 members including the chairman. Okay, next coming the second one, term and tenures. So what should be the tenure and term for the UPSC members and chairman? It is just appointed for the 6 hours and for be appointed up to 65 years age. And next, qualification. What should be the qualification of Union Public Service Commission? And I'm just telling about it, the many questions of the pre-exam related to the pre-exam coming from this topic, because in the last previous year you can see that the a one question has come from it. So this is very essential. So I'm just coming to the next one. So what should be the qualification? The qualification should be just like that, not prescribed by the constitution, but one half of the members of the UPSC exam should be appointed for the office of the government of India and government of state. And coming next one, that is the acting chairman. Acting chairman should be appointed when the office is vacant. For the chairman, the member of the UPSC can be appointed as a acting chairman for the few days, because the as the chairman is doing some work, he is busy, so he can, so at that time the member of the UPSC can be just appointed as a acting chairman at that time. And second point is that if he is not able to do the work at that time, so he can also be appointed as a acting chairman of the UPSC. Then next coming one, removal. How can it be removed? What are the conditions for removal of the chairman and other members? It should be, the member should be, suppose if the member is insolvent, it means the bank is inrupt. So the money is not in the bank and bank is rupt. At that time the chairman or any member can be just removal from their office. Okay, second point is that if he is infirmity of the mind, it means he is not able to do the work by the brain. So at the time he has been mental retarded, so at that time he can be just removed from the office. Next coming to the topic, it is the second point. And third point is that if he has been just done the misbehavior with the people, so at that time the supreme court can get the report from the president, and president gives the report, so that the supreme court can be just inquiry in it. If the inquiry that can be right for the guilty, and this is the binding on the president to be just removal of the chairman or any member of the UPSC. Then coming next one is the independence. What should be the independence, and what are the independence for the chairman and any members? The independence are that the any term, any tenure of the chairman, any members can be just certain. It cannot be just increase or decreases after appointment of it. Okay, second point is this: the service or salary cannot be increase or decrease, cannot be decreases after appointed it, because it is just certain by the constitution. Third point is that it can't be the independence is of the chairman any member, that is the it cannot be just any member of chair UPSC cannot be just reappointed for any term, because it is only first time term it can be just allowed to be appointed here. Then I am just coming to the third one, any member, and this is the last point of the independence. The member of the UPSC can be appointed as a chairman. Okay, because it is certain by the constitution. Then I am coming to the next one, function. What are the function of the chairman or UPSC? The UPSC, it means in Hindi, lok 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 संघ सेवा आयोग, Okay, and what are the function of the Union Public Service Commission? The function of Union Public Service Commission, it is just conduct the examination of all India service, central service, and civil services. Okay, and second one is that it just transfer of the any civil services, and it can promote the UPSC examination, and conduct the UPSC exam, and it just give the grant to the UPSC examiner, who has just give the granted for just maintain the legal provisions. So it is also granted to the UPSC servicer, because if he has just injured for while doing the working it in his office, so at that time it can be granted by the UPSC. So next I'm coming to the, it is the function has been shortened. And limitation, what are the limitation of the UPSC can be only conduct of the services for only group A and group B, not for the group C and group D services or any posted. Okay, and the second point is that it is not make the reservation for the backward caste. Okay, third point is that it is not make the seat for the SC and ST in the in the services or in any post. Okay, and it is only valid, it is only provided the 1 year services, that is temporary for the servicer. Okay, next coming the, what are the role of its role are to just control the work of the UPSC servicer, and but it is not the work of the UPSC to training and certain the service condition. These conditions are certain by the personal and training commission. Okay, so mostly, and the article 315 to 323, in which all the conditions are certain in these articles, and part 14, that is described about the Union Public Service Commission condition. It means article 3017 describe the removal of the Union Public Service Commission, and 380 it describe the power of commission, and 320 article it describe the functions of Union Public Service Commissions, and 323 it describe the reports that is reported by the Union Public Service Commission in front of the president. Okay, the appointment of the Union Public Service Commission, that is appointed by the president. Okay, have you understood or not? It's very essential point, always kept in your mind. So this chapter is finished. After this we just discuss about the next topic. So I hope you will like it, and then subscribe and share it.